Hello, Chef here. Once again, some tools to help keep you on the cutting edge. A quick review here. Polyboard, really nice. Made in America. Stainless steel cut-proof glove. Yeah. Really nice. Made in America. Top quality. Best price from your sponsor there. Yeah. This is a size medium. I have large hands. I recommend you probably get the large one. Anyway, I want to show you what this baby's all about and the full range of motion you get. So I've got a variety of knives here. Here's a sharp ceramic. Here's a Japanese titanium. And here is a German turbo. You see some of these knives in the videos, and here we go. I'm cutting a fish, filleting it towards myself, and I hit my fingers, slicing, puncture, nothing goes through. This is the stuff right here. This will protect you. Really, really nice. Titanium, same thing. I'm cutting towards myself, cutting, chopping an apple, some fruit, whatever it is. This glove gives you the maximum protection. These knives are very, very sharp. Ceramic. Ceramic will also not cut through the steel. It's sharper than steel, but it doesn't matter. The ceramic's not going to cut through. So that's it. That's the review for you there. Stay safe. All of these tools and cool things can be scored at your sponsor. Once again, that sponsor is right there. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. More videos to come. Little circles of welded stainless steel. Each glove is handmade, hand finished, made to be loose, and your sponsor has a guarantee it's going to fit and last, I don't know, 10 years or more. These babies keep going. If it doesn't fit, they offer a free exchange as well. So that's it right there. Full range of motion. By the way, this fits left or right hand. You can just slide it over either hand. It's made to be ambidextrous. So, yeah, I like it. Each glove is also serialized. Get a serial number right there just to help prevent loss and quality. Yeah. Thanks for watching.